Hello dear, hope all of you are well. Today I will show you that's how you can send large and so many video or so many video files in your client in Fiverr or any other. Okay, here is my dashboard and here is my order you are watching. Timeline to delivery 1 days and 5 hours 22 minutes 44 seconds. Okay, so here my order $50. Okay, so here is the requirement and I am delivering that course I already recorded large video file. If I go the dashboard, my working area here, if I go renal and dialysis long cases, general medicines and practice sessions, okay, transplant long case. If I go here long case, there is a one video, maybe 82 or 83 minutes bone marrow transplant. Here you are watching 81 minutes video. Okay, here also video, there's 25 minutes, 26 minutes. Okay, the large video. So also there are lots of video here as a course, medical course, professional course. Here if I go in practice sessions, if I go here, you will watch that's a large video. Here it is a 20 minutes and 32 minutes. Also if I go here, that's the another video that's a 81 minutes long. Okay, if I go Sunday, here is a 46 minutes long. If I go here, 56 minutes long. Okay, all video I already captures. If I go in my file, okay, in this file you can see here, this is the bone marrow transplant. Okay, here is the bone marrow transplant. If I go in my works area, you will see there's bone marrow transplant. It is a note, tutorials of by Christians from Australian. Here is the bone transplant long cases. If I go here, you will see there's a large video. Okay, here is the bone marrow transplant, 81 minutes. Okay, and here is the working file, my working file, bone marrow transplant MBT history. Okay, that is Dr. Elizabeth Godbell item type. Okay, so in this video on the Fiverr, here I have only 1 days, so I am delivering now. Here I already write delivering. There's the one renal dialysis long cases, all type of here. If I show transplant long cases, here I attach already, that's file, renal dialysis long case. Okay, here is the renal dialysis long case. Okay, that's the file. And also that's how you can send it. You just upload in your Google Drive. Okay, and just upload your Google Drive and then share it. So if you don't know that, you just go in this. If you just open here in your Google Drive, here is the drive, go there and drive will be open, and then you have to click, and there is a lots of video you can watching here. The lots of video are here. Okay, okay, there's a lots of video here. Okay, you can watch here. So if I go drive and then you have to click new. If you upload a file, then you have to select the file. If you upload the folder, you can select the folder. So in folder there are large 100 or 300 400, that's nothing, but just if you click folder and then you have to select your folder. Okay, Here is a folder. Here is a transplant log, general medicines transplant log. There is a lots of video, and also you can select general medicine. Here all lots of video. Okay. Also you can say practice sessions. It has a lots of video. And then you have to upload. Whenever you upload, that time that file will be open here. Okay. And then how you can send any of your client or any your friend and families, how you can send it with in email or your YouTube links or any kinds of, you can send it your friend or family or your clients. Okay. That's you have to. So I am showing you here in Fiverr which file I have to need. 1 and 2 number. Okay. 2 number, that means I have to go in my dashboard, and you will be very grateful that's watching that's the video. Number 2, this is a 1 2. Okay, that's not matter, just the 1 and 2. That means I have to upload general medicines. Okay, so I have to go Google Drive, general medicines. That's the general medicines, and you have to click this more actions. That means 3 dot button, and then you have to click share, and then you have to click share, and then you have to select these options. First time it will be restricted. Okay. Okay. But you have to select this button, restricted button, and then you have to click anyone with the link. And whenever you click this, that link will be come here, and then copy the link and then done. Okay, that's all. And that's link you have to share with your friends and families, or your friend, or your client, or your any kinds of, you can share. Okay, I just sharing here. You are watching this. I'm sharing my client as a Australian buyer from Australian. If I show you, okay, here if I my in Fiverr, if I show you, I click here, you will see here this Australian buyer. Okay, that's the buyer, Australian. So I cancel it, and I have to go there, and I have to send my work. Okay, now it's time run. You are watching, that's time is running. This one. So number 2, that was general medicine. Okay, that should be come here, and then you have to select there, and then you have to select here that the link, and you have to write the folder name. It's okay, and then you have to click number 03. It's a very easy and simple large file or a video we can share with this link. And then we have to select our dashboard. We have to select the next course, medical course. That's a rock your log cases approaches. That's fine. Okay. Okay, we have to go our log your, that's fine, log your long case approach. Just click in this 3 button, more options, and then select share, and then you have to select here anyone. Okay, and then copy, and then done. Log your long case approach, you have to write here. And then paste the URL, the link. Okay, and then number 4 already I added, and then last one, number 5, that is practice sessions. Already I added practice sessions, and now last, transplant long case. Okay, and then you have to select transplant long case. Here is the transplant long case. Select here 3-dot button, or that's showing is more actions. Select here 3-dot button, and then you have to share, and then you have to select here, this is restricted, you have to select anyone with the link. Select it, anyone with the link, and then copy the link, and then done. You have to paste here. Okay, now all are done. I'm writing. Okay, that's all, and then you have to, all are done. You have to attach some things. Okay, I am attaching something. Okay, where is it? Okay, I attach this. Okay, okay, for proving. Okay, you can go here and select snipping tools. Here the tools, and then take a screenshot for attractions other client. Whenever they jump to your file or folders, or that time they will see that works. Okay, okay, and then we have to save in desktop. Okay, select here, already done, and we have to attach some file that we've already completed. Okay, I have to go desktop and select the file. Where is it? Here is it. Okay, select already. Okay, okay, already done, and there's the time and everything is I already take that, and now I will send the if I go if I go the works details, here's the details. Okay, so time is so short for the reasons I'm sending. So by that way you can send and attach or create lots of link in Google Drive, and by that Google Drive you can send a large and large and large, many files, folder, video, everything's okay. I hope you like that videos, and share with your friend and family. If there are any issues, just comment in comment sections. Okay, thank you for watching this video. And now I am delivering that. Oh, that's here. We are not right here. We have to I have to select here. There is some mistake. To click here and then cut. Okay, cut here, and then we have to deliver now. Okay, then we paste here. Everything's are here. Upload work. Okay, upload some work images. That's image we already screenshot. Take a screenshot. Okay, where is that? Here. Okay, okay, done. And then we have to deliver it. Just to wait. Instead of working here. Okay, our work delivered. Here we are watching delivered, showing that's delivered. Okay, by that way you can do large video, large file, large everything's with Fiverr or email or your someone else, by creating a link, and you can send that link to your client or your friends or your family, everything. So I hope that video will be help to you. I just sent maybe 50 to 100 videos to my client. Hope this video will help to you. If this help you, just subscribe my channel. My channel is here. I am showing you. When you think of video, that's my video. You can subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching my videos.